Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your drawing class. Today I will make you draw something. I hope you will like it and will try the same. You need to practice it. Can you read the name what I have written here? Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E Bray double L-A umbrella. And we have already discussed when do we use umbrella? We use umbrella in rainy season when it rains, and some people also carry umbrella when there is torturing heat in the summer, because umbrella is something which prevents us from heat as well as rain. So today we will learn how to draw it. Though there are many ways of drawing the umbrella, you must have noticed there are so many colorful umbrella in the market available with different shapes. Some people carry the small umbrellas, some take the biggest one so that they don't get wet, and some people carry the colorful umbrellas. Some carry only black umbrella. That is, there is so much variety of umbrellas available in the market. But what I believe is that which is something important to be carried, let's draw it in a simple way. So here I am teaching you how to draw the umbrella. Hope you will get it. I am just marking the point in the center here. And what I will be doing with this point is, I will draw two arcs. One this side and another this side. They must be equal in length. So here I have drawn these two arcs. Is that clear? These two arcs. After these, we again will do the same ways. Here I am drawing the another arc, and one more time I am drawing the another arc. I have drawn the three lines on the right side, 1, 2 and 3. The two in the center, then two more I have drawn on the right side. Let me show you how. Is it okay? The same ways we will be drawing on the left hand side. How? We will be drawing on the left hand side using our right hand only this ways. And we will try our maximum that the distance also between them remains almost the same. So here I am done. I have drawn this. So on the top where I pointed that, I will be drawing just like this small one. Why this small one? Where the umbrella screws are there through which it gets open and closed. Alright. Now what we will be doing? We will be drawing the reverse arc. The small reverse arc like this. Alright. One more time. And in same ways we will be repeating like this only. These are the small reverse arcs which I have drawn. So as you can see, how many divisions I have made. This is one column, the second column, the third column, the fourth column and the fifth column. So what I'm going to do is two columns at the left and two columns at the right. This is the center one. From the center I will draw the straight lines, two straight lines, which is basically we are drawing the rod and the handle of that umbrella. And here I am turning it like this ways, which is actually there in the umbrella to hold it. With our fist like this we hold it. This is like this, we hold it. And here is the shape like this. So this is how I have drawn my umbrella. Also, if you want, we can make these points a little darker like this. Will be better this ways. So here we go. We are done with our umbrella. I did have only black marker which I have used, but you can use many colors in this. So whatever the colors you like, just draw it in your notebook and color it well. You can use the different colors as well as you can use only single color also. This is your umbrella, so your wish. Whatever the color you want in your umbrella, you can just imagine that and just draw it that way. So I think you must have found it easy. So this is your work for today. You need to draw this umbrella the same ways in which I have drawn, or even more attractive you can make If you do have something else in your mind, your imagination is most welcomed, my dear students. I want your umbrellas in your ways, and you can color your umbrellas in as many as colors as you want. So just draw it and send me the responses. I will be waiting. Hope you enjoyed drawing it. Hope you liked the video, and we'll be meeting you in the next video with another thing.